So watch this video carefully. You will see this is a childbirth delivery where a midwife is assisting the mother in this in delivering the baby. So this can happen very quickly because it happens mostly in women who have delivered before. So in a rapid delivery, sometimes this is called precipitous labor. Now the final stage, as you can see, may last only just few minutes. So as the baby begins to crowning, which means the head, the midwife support, like you are saying, from the head, the perineum, that is like the vaginal, let's call it vagina for a layman. So the perineum with one hand while guiding the baby's head with the other, as you can see what she just did. So gentle, controlled movements, which helps to reduce the tearing of the mother's perineum, both the mother and that of the child. So once the head is delivered quickly, what happened next, as you just see there, you can see both the cord and everything was delivered quickly. Everybody was rejoicing. So this is what happened in a quick childbirth delivery. I hope you like this video. Please do wait to hit the like button, subscribe, share this video. So mind you that within seconds again, the baby is fully born in a hospital, in a well modernized hospital. So, and after born, it's being placed on the mother's chest, that is skin to skin. So the mother could breastfeed the baby immediately, and they assess to ensure that the baby is well and strongly breathing and healthily crying. I'll see you on the other side.